Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best AC drain line pump on the market, the Rectorseal 97795 Mighty AC Condensate Drain Line Pump. If you've ever dealt with clogged air conditioner drain lines, you know how frustrating it can be. This device promises to make that task easier, faster, and more efficient without the need for electricity, batteries, or complicated tools. The Rectorseal Mighty Pump is designed to clear blocked AC condensate drain lines with ease. It uses a hand-operated mechanism to create enough pressure or suction to push through slime, mold, and dirt that often build up inside these lines. Unlike wet, dry vacuums or chemical cleaners, this pump is lightweight and simple to use, making it a practical tool for homeowners and HVAC professionals alike. What makes this pump stand out is its versatility. It can be used from inside or outside the building, allowing you to connect flexible inlet and outlet hoses directly to your condensate drain lines. It even comes with a 3/4-inch adapter to fit standard drain pipes. The design includes two spring check valves that enable two-way flow but prevent backflow, ensuring efficient cleaning while protecting your system. The pump is also built with durable PVC material, making it both strong and lightweight. It weighs just over 6 pounds and measures about 20 by 9.5 by 8 inches, so it's easy to handle and store. The package includes the Mighty Pump itself along with the necessary hose for connection, and it requires no batteries or electricity, making it a reliable tool in any situation. Using the Rectorseal Mighty Pump is straightforward. Simply connect the hoses to your drain line and operate the hand pump to generate pressure or suction. This action quickly clears blockages in seconds, preventing costly water damage caused by clogged lines. The pump can also be used to empty standing water from condensate pans, overflow pans, water heater pans, tubs, or even toilets, making it a multi-purpose tool beyond just AC maintenance. Cleaning and maintaining the pump is hassle-free. After use, you can flush it with clean water to remove any buildup inside, keeping it ready for the next job. This ease of maintenance adds to the pump's overall convenience and longevity. Made in the USA, the Rectorseal 97795 Mighty Pump has been trusted by professionals since its release in 2010. It's a solid investment for anyone looking to protect their home or business from water damage related to AC condensate drain issues. In summary, the Rectorseal Mighty Pump is a lightweight, efficient, and versatile hand-operated pump that effectively clears AC drain line blockages without the need for electricity or harsh chemicals. Its durable build and easy maintenance make it a standout choice for HVAC professionals and homeowners alike. If you want a reliable, no-fuss solution to keep your AC drain lines flowing smoothly, this product is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more honest product reviews. See you next time.